Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock spin in the Domino's application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find 3 lines. Press on it and here you can just press on play and you can just press on spin it. But in order to do that, you have to just enter a game code. So if you have any game codes, you can just simply enter that there, and after that you can just press on spin it. Otherwise, this is basically the message that is going to appear to you, and you can just basically potentially win a prize here. You can see basically the gift symbol. If you get that, you will be able to win a prize. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.